Hi guys. Hey, haven't done a what's in the box or in this case what's in the bag in a while, so here we go. Got a package a little bit ago. Kind of already cut into some of the stuff, but cut that a little further so I can actually get one out. I am going to try. Oh man, those are sticky. The injora. How do you say it? Injora, evidently that company. um, Tires and wheels. Boy, these are sticky. Nice tread pattern. A 1.9 wheel. Got the foam already in it. A real soft foam too. And then they come with the wheels. So I went ahead and, being an old school guy like me, oh wow, those look cool. Holy crap. I got the, more or less a wagon wheel. They don't have the whole lot of spokes like the, regular wagon wheels had, but, these aren't bad. Of course, they're going to be tough to get out. Just how it has to go, when you're trying to do something on camera. You don't have a, you're not holding the thing together. Oh wow, those are really nicely packaged, actually. They got their own foam sleeve. Pop one of them out here. Got some decent weight to them. They got a name on the inside of the bead lock. That's cool. 6 lug look-alike kind of thing. Already got the hub, attached to the back of it, so it'll fit over the what the hell. I'm having a brain fart on the name of that. Over the hex nut. That's it. Yeah. But this is all metal. Man, that finish. I like the way the deep wheel is. That is cool. I like them. What I'm going to do is I'm going to check these out. There's a bag of all the rest of the screws. Looks like there's different sizes, so there may be, I don't know, that's weird. I don't know if they're front and rear. No, they all look to be the same. That's odd. Anyway, I'm gonna try these on my 3 different crawlers, just to see, what kind of a difference it makes on them. But guys, I'm impressed. I like these wheels. These things really look good. And hopefully that's a powder coating. I imagine it probably is, so it'll be a little tougher. But yeah, guys, wow, that's really neat. Definitely digging the look of that. That'll be cool. Nice. Get these put in and get them set to go and go from there. But yeah, these are some nice looking tires, and like I said, they're super soft, super sticky. So I think that they're gonna do really good, crawling. In fact, actually, they feel a little bit softer and stickier than my oh J Concepts tires. I got the oh god, where are they? Can't think what the name of them is. Anyway, My brain ain't working today. But yeah, guys, so I wanted to do a quick what's in the bag, and show you guys the new tires and wheels. Gonna definitely get these things, on the different vehicles and go from there. So, um, anyway, guys, take care. I'm gonna let you go, and you guys take care and stay safe out there. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Glad you found it. Take care, guys. Have a good one. Bye.